Hello guys, so I make a little mistake on my computer last time where I forgot to make the good enrichment of my voice. So I decided to remake this, and also I didn't speak very much because this game was on ranked and Putin is putting so much pressure. I have to really focus on the game, and my commentary wasn't really good. So I just decided to watch it again on replay because it's, as I said, it's really interesting. Also, I didn't make the spoiler free on the game bar just because this the game lasts for 40 minutes, so you don't really get spoiled. I mean, and to be honest, even at the last minute of the game, it was really close. So no spoil for that, but really watch till the end. And for all these reasons, that was really interesting on Rocket. So both of us didn't know the overdeck. And talking about deck, I'm playing with Eurocorp Motorized as always because I'm playing a lot of ranked game with Eurocorp Motorized. The game are fast, so you win game very fast, and also it's easy to get elo point, and it's also pretty funny to play. But it's funny for you, but not for the opponent. It's very horrible to play against Eurocorp Motorized with the PH2 Tiger. Like I said, it's horrible because of course it's very stealthy and it has a veterancy bonus. You have IMX 10, you have the Legion 90, I believe here. No, it's not. No, it's not Legion. Oh, I don't know. Maybe it's Legion or it's Chasseur. And we can see my opening is going toward Foxtrot with a PH2 Tiger and Commando Marine in Panther, going to this town, and two Legion 90 and MX-10 going to the forest, and two Fallschirmjäger 19 going in Bravo with the cover of MX-10. It's a little bit weaker on Alpha, but I can still provide really good power, and also some backstab with the Fallschirmjäger going on Bravo. So that's my opening, only one CV because of course I'm motorized, so I want to be extremely aggressive. And Putin, on the other hand, is playing with DCG, a deck he pretty like, DCG standard. And also going with a Tiger, and going pretty defensive with a second CV and ATGM, control of the forest and Gulf, and maybe a little bit of push power to Bravo, and very little on Foxtrot, not even an AA. Maybe he thinks the Tiger gonna be enough of an AA against me. So I'm gonna put my field of view, and we are gonna watch it a little bit faster because it's only the opening. So I see he's capping, and this is where the game gonna be really interesting. So the Tiger goes by, and I saw no AA, so very easy kill. His Tiger didn't go on Foxtrot as I said before. No, he decided to go on Alpha, and it does a little bit of damage, but didn't kill the MX-10. He killed only the transfer, so not really interesting. He sees the VAB, the BBL Mistral. So I send a KWS immediately to stop this, and also I make the Fallschirmjäger 19 not going this way because it was too dangerous with the Leopard, and of course the Leopard, I was right. And also I sent the KWS to stop an elo diving, no, a plane dive on the Tiger, or a Peace Rhine trying to kill the VBL missile, because if he kills this A, I have nothing left on Alpha, and I will lose everything. So I really need an SF. And as I said, the Tiger doesn't face any AA on Foxtrot, so it destroys everything. and I can win Foxtrot. He pushed with the tank and kill 2 of MX-10, which is pretty good. Also, he panic every fucking infantry, but I deal some damage. He's then gonna go back, and I can say for that I pretty much won the opening, but it's still dangerous for me on Alpha because he has infantry on the town. He has infantry here also. He has some CV point, but he made a mistake by moving this tiger away without really thinking out my KWS, and I got a quick kill. Get a lot of intel also on the tiger going on Foxtrot and another AA, so I know I have to buy maybe a more AA, be more focused, and this is a really good snipe. Also, he tried to attack with his Leopard, which get caught by the ATGM Milan. I almost got a second kill, but he walked away. He made a mistake, but at least he recovered. He could have lost both, but he only lost one. So position is really bad for him at the moment. I send my unit, every of my infantry back. They have a lot of HP, but morale is very bad. It's shaken, panic, and worried, at least. So very not good. And now I can CV up with all help this skill. I can finally CV up and send the Panther and the PH2 Tiger again on Alpha to deal with his infantry. He does a very aggressive move, very aggressive, to go from this town to here and then to the forest, which really caught me off guard and lost me to an extent. But on the other hand, he can't escape. So I don't really know if it was really worth it, because now this infantry is completely trapped. They can go upward. They can't really stay on the forest because I could still kill them pretty easily. They can go back. They can go on the city. This is completely over. With it, he's gonna lose almost heavy foothold, or he still has that, but no support, nothing. My infantry are again pretty. Have a good morale. They are most of them are full HP. It's gonna be a disaster. On Foxtrot, I just need one ATGM to completely lock down Foxtrot. I still have the zone on the right, so this is very good for me. He tried to do a very interesting move because you see the world is not clear, Bravo is not clear, so he tried to go by the side, but the problem is you have absolutely no cover, so a tiger is very dangerous, and his A can't really go upward easily. This is a pretty mediocre position, and so this really problematic. He still sends some ATGM, so I have to still be a little bit careful, but that's very bad for him. He sent some infantry on Bravo, but I have better infantry, so I still come out on top. A little bit of miss micro to not be careful enough about the ATGM, but this is gonna be clear at one moment. And so I have to say that's because maybe this is the second CV that lost him so much at the opening, because my opening was very aggressive, and also not sending any AA on Foxtrot really put him on the back foot. Now he has to give up the position because I send only one transport. Now his infantry is completely alone. I send fire support. I send the Pishran to kill the AA and also dive on the Tiger again. Little bit of a mismicro of him to not be quick enough, but this is also just me having a snipe AA because he doesn't have enough AA support, and this is very easy for my unit to push. He finally sent a plane but to start to try to to dive, sorry, on my Tiger, which is a very good move by him. But I think he lost, he lost his plane on my Mistral, VBL Mistral in 2 hits, which is like really not lucky for him. But I mean, he still got lucky, so it's okay for him. Problem is, it's not only the Tiger, this is just the control alpha that he lost, and now I'm gonna be a little bit quicker because there's nothing happening in more minute. But you see now I destroy the infantry. He tried to come up the hill, but it doesn't work. My infantry are too powerful, and now I can do something I really like with motorized vest, which is just brawl with infantry, with a mass of elite infantry or even shock infantry, and just repair them, pushing with elites. And thing is, this is pretty deep forest, and at what moment he gonna run out of infantry. And now I can send a CV to Foxtrot. He tried to CV snipe me on alpha, but it doesn't work. I mean, he probably at this moment he pretty feels the pressure. I think he feel that he's on back foot. Of course, it's not over. This is far from over, but he must know there is something bad in the game. So maybe that's why he sniped me, which is a pretty good idea, I think, because if he killed my CV, this will completely backfire on me. And again, as I said, I like to brawl with infantry on this zone. Again, more CV snipe, which worked this time. This time it worked with the, I don't know which one is it. Oh, the Mars. Okay, the Mars. So it worked. So it already pay for itself. But on the other hand, I got good control on Bravo. So again, position on his position get I will say worse and worse. I don't. He still have more CV point, but it feels like it's nothing when I have control of Bravo and Foxtrot, or medium control of Foxtrot. I don't have upper Foxtrot, but I cut it in half and still have good control on it. Sending everything to repair. He still is very annoying with his artillery, so most of the time I can't really repair them easily, which is good thing for him to try to gun them, but I can move away very far. It's not a problem. I don't need to win Bravo very fast. I don't even intend to win Bravo fast. I want to just fight for a very long brawl, and maybe in 10 minutes I gonna win because my infantry are repair and he can't really repair them as easily as I can, or even he can't even buy as infantry like I buy because I'm motorized. He tried to do some spam of grenadier, which is a pretty good unit with 3 frontal armor of MX. I CV up again on Foxtrot. Oh! Oh, yeah. I lost one to lesson on his IOC because he completely surprised me with 2 IOC at the same time. Oh no, not 2 IOC, not 2 Orlan, 2 round 3. And so he get a very quick kill. Good job on him to very hide them until it was too late for me. He tried to CV snipe again on Foxtrot. Maybe I should have make my CV on Bravo, but there is not in. It's something I don't really like about it. It's you don't have very much place to hide your CV. On Bravo, it's pretty clear we're gonna be here or in this hill, maybe here. But it's very close, and it's the same with golf. You are on the city or you're on this little forest, and you can even be spotted. So this is not this is very hard to hide TV, and so this is why he buys so much artillery, because he know I can't hide them really well. So I try to land the CV very far so he didn't see it. Maybe he see it, but he don't know where in which building I'm gonna go, or maybe even if I go in this forest. At the same time I push on Bravo, and as you see, as I said before, my infantry are repair, and this is very dangerous for him. Finally I force him completely back on Bravo. I buy also a Caesar to try to CV snipe him. No, not CV snipe him. I try to snipe his artillery. I try to snipe his mortar, but he moved pretty fast and completely dodged it. So nice job for him. At the same time, he tried to CV snipe also on hotel, but my CV is well placed, not on the very obvious spot. This is something I see a lot of players do with Gypsy, but I think this is mostly a mistake. Like, you're not forced to place your CV here, but this place is just so obvious. This is the most obvious spot. This is really dangerous to put your CV here. At least maybe place an infantry CV here. This is a little bit of cover, and you can move around to dodge some shell. Or here. But like, this place is very obvious, and you see this is the first zone Putin tried to bomb or cluster. So and now he tried to counter artillery me, but I move away. We both tried to counter artillery, but none of us succeed. Now his peace run he buy from earlier, killing Leopard. Good job. Now sending a little bit of reinforcement to maybe try to push him out of the Gulf Forest. Because this gives him a little bit too much control, I feel. He dived with the Parachute Tiger to kill the Legion, but Weibel Mistral is very... This is what I like about this unit, it's very stealthy. Or it's not very stealthy, but it's more stealthy than most AA. Like you see, Crottal is mediocre. Febrilson has Slaughter Run, of course, but it fires very fast and it fires and forget, and I feel this is a very good unit in Motorized. Not in standard deck, but in Motorized pretty underrated. So I got the kill. As I said, I put a little bit of effort on Golf, which won't succeed because I misplaced my tank a little bit. Plane going way too far. It's luckily escape the 4 missile. he's counter capping golf, and my commando para only have 1 HP, and I was a little bit afraid. I'm just gonna do a quick recap on him. As you see, he only has the CV on golf, but I have no intel on this, and this was I was very afraid there is more infantry and I could lost this unit for free, so I decided wisely to back up. This was a mistake, but I feel like sometimes you have to do something that is a good idea, but when you have all the intel, it's wrong. Now he's pushing with more fire support to finally push me back, but this is what it is just so dangerous. I can just walk back far away with my weak infantry. Another piece mine tried to snipe his tank, but as you see, he backs off, and so I lost piston for free. That was a little bit a mistake to buy it. He tried to push Fox out, but didn't put enough effort on it. I'm extend, and Jim Milan does a quick job of it. Caesar also firing, dealing with the Bravo push. He sent his 2-piece run on Foxtrot, kill absolutely nothing or just out transport. So again, a pretty bad trade for him. Now there's only his Leopard and I think 2 infantry on Bravo, so he's gonna be pretty. These are gonna be quickly dealt with. Finally the CV spot, and he's gonna die soon. To try to backstab the Leopard 2A1 in the smoke. It's fire, but the infantry was panicked, so it doesn't work. And now we can see there's again the peace shrine. I think this is something I really that really need to work a little bit more. This is to buy more A, but at the same time we have to take account that I'm playing motorized. So when you're motorized, what can I really lost to a peace shrine? And the answer is not much. I can lose maybe CV, but I mean he spots the CV with something to attack it with the peace shrine, like maybe it's better to use artillery. Maybe the A, but he doesn't have much helicopter because he has lost 2 of these tigers, so probably he doesn't have a third. I don't know, but I think most people don't play a 3 tiger, so he don't have it. So not really interesting to go for a snipe, and most of the time it's not even possible. So what's he gonna kill? Maybe I'm extend, but it's 30 points. Who cares? Who cares? Not not me. And or maybe he's gonna kill my Leopard 2, my Leopard, but they're not very expensive, so it's like not very useful to have this true beast line. So I don't really care that much, and maybe I misbuy to. Maybe I was wrong to buy an ASF just to deal with this attack. I should probably buy more infantry, and he should have buy more support, more tank maybe. I feel like we both made a mistake to go too much on air. Now he go with zero power reckoning, but again the HGM Milan, the MX-10 is in too much control, in good position. Sorry. he go again on golf, and this is maybe where I said I missed by, because he only said 2 infantry on golf, and maybe I should have buy more infantry sooner on golf to reinforce, because that's only 2 chasseurs that was really weak. I think I should have been more aggressive on golf. Now I'm still on +2 because I killed the CV on golf, and I still neutralized Foxtrot. He tried to CV snipe again, and it didn't work by a little bit, only a little bit, but it didn't work. But now he sent 2 escorts. Maybe he recognized I only have 1 Kotal, which is very bad against this card. Of course, I still have my plane which go for a dive, but I lost 1 in the process, which is okay because that was 3 escort. That's really expensive. I have to move my CV because he spotted. I go a little bit deeper on Bravo, or even to attack on Charlie, but nothing really come. He tried to go for a CV snipe, but the Jeep CV is very fast and move away. He attacked aggressively on golf, which is a good idea because I have absolutely nothing. So I'm gonna have to spend some points. Go again for a CV snipe. Doesn't work again. And his plane gonna get shot at. Even die. Oh no, it didn't die. What? Oh yeah, it's a bug. It got shot 2 times but didn't die because it evac'd just at the right moment. And I lost my plane. I sent a seed, which was also a mistake. I think I should have not buy a seed also. I don't really need much control now. His attack on Foxtrot is a disaster against the TGM. He tried to go for a CV snipe, and again it's hide. This is a very good position for hide because now I can attack on zone and it kill 1A. Now finally the Roland 3 put the job, and the game look really threatening for him now because he has lost some plane, he has lost his attack on Foxtrot, he has lost some helicopter, he has lost so much and didn't get too much control. All my infantry is repaired again, and now I smoke this out because I know there's a tank on golf, so now it's pretty blocked and I can maybe even try to push on Charlie, which will be of course a disaster. Again trying to see snipe, pretty spot on to attack this position, but I move away. Of course, very dangerous job. Jeep CV are very fast but very weak, so you need to be extremely on point, and now you see I'm not on point and I take some fire. I get lucky, it was only mortar shell. I believe if it was his big artillery, my gypsy would be dead. But now it come. Now this bullet I think is from the heavy artillery and it kills CV, I think. Oh no, he don't. But he gets unlucky, but this is very dangerous. Now he go very aggressive with the Leopard. Kill my CV finally. I fire first with the MX-10, so he didn't kill the ATGM, and now it dies. His Roland 3 is out of ammo, and now there's only 1, so with 1 it's not very dangerous. Roland, even if I have only 1, I think also a mistake because Roland there have only 2 sets of missile per salvo, so you need to have both, and this is where it's not very threatening. You're gonna most of the time you're gonna hit the plane once, and so it doesn't really matter because it's still alive. So, and I even kill it again. So now he doesn't have much control in the open field again. But I have lost so many planes, so I can't really get good control of it. Trying to go aggressive, but I find too much infantry, and also his artillery is firing on the open field. Good job for him, which completely counter my attack. He's flying an helicopter, which was a really good move because the helicopter is pretty useless, but he find my CV, which gonna be dangerous because I can be snipe again. I try to go aggressive on Golf again. I only get the +2, but this is again. I'm getting like I feel like I'm getting further ahead and further ahead every time he tried to attack me. He's playing getting out alive even when he takes to it again. He tried to attack Golf at the same time as I was attacking Golf, which is pretty funny, but my attack was a little bit stronger, I would say. He counter-attack on Foxtrot and gonna get the position back with all his artillery, but not without a cost. It cost him so much. Now, this is where I said the helicopter dive on Golf was really good for him because he just saw the CV and now he know my infantry has to be in this rebuilding, and they are so small and so close to each other. He gets the kill immediately. And I feel like a little bit of pressure now because I have lost my CV on Golf. I have still +1, but I have lost the control of Foxtrot, which was my really good position from the entirety of the game. So I feel like I maybe have to push Golf. Maybe this. It's still a good position, but I feel like I maybe let slip. I maybe let this go a little bit away. So I try to concentrate, buy more AA because I know I have nothing on Golf and there is some escort. I also have the 3 Tigre HAP for this, but I don't know. Maybe he has some AA on Foxtrot, so not be too aggressive. Again, playing aggressively on Bravo, so the idea is not that I'm gonna attack Charlie at all costs, but that I'm putting pressure on him. He can't go with full tank on Golf and Foxtrot and push me back. He can't do that. He has to spend infantry, which gonna always cost more for him than me because my infantry is better. And so he can't fully commit on Golf and Foxtrot, which is exactly what General's deck wants. He wants to fight with his tank, with his super heavy that I can't have, or his medium, which I don't even have to. Try to dive on the Leopard. 2A4, get a kill. No, just a kill on the KWS in exchange of my +1 and a shot, so pretty okay. And this is exactly what I said. I don't want to have his tank pushing alone on Golf and Foxtrot without any pressure on him, on his back. Still a good counter for him. he used so much mortar. This is really hard for me to push with all this mortar, but I still have good position. Now he's in the peace train to snipe my leopard, but I get a plane, but it's not lucky. It's very unlucky. Still his damage, so pretty good. His leopard cut in open without any smoke. Escape with very luck again. I think it will be dead if he just get even one hit. And now this is what could have possibly be. What could possibly be is a comeback. I tried to move it away, but he blindly shot at my CV. You see, there is absolutely no infiltration. This was just the this is purely Putin style. Like, he blind shot me. I tried to escape, but I wasn't lucky because shot goes exactly on the top of my CV. I didn't move fast enough, and so he gets the snipe. Now I have to move either Hotel CV or Alpha, but Alpha is little bit too. It will be too long, so I decided to go with the hotel. At the same time, he attacked Bravo, which for the first time worked, but at the same time I get gold, so it's a little bit of an exchange. We could say. Again, helicopter dive, maybe on hotel, but everything is ready. I send my CV in this way because this is something very natural to just fast move it in Delta again. But I feel like Putin he know I'm gonna try to do that, so I have to put my CV on a pretty or less obvious spot, because this is not very obvious. I'm gonna send my CV here. This is not the obvious move. The obvious move is just fast moving here, and you see he just artillery snipe it in hope I just made this mistake. Now a second CV by to hotel. Fish front dive, dead. I try to also helicopter dive on Foxtrot, but there is infantry, so I just backed off. This is not. I'm still on the very good lead, so I just have to wait, and I'm gonna have a +1 for the last minute. And yeah, that was the game, and now he tried to go against my Rebel Mistral. I guess I was a little bit not careful enough to not buy infantry for this forest, and also not moving my infantry. So I get punished. He forced my CV away. He killed one of my AA. I go for for that because I know he don't have anything. So I can find it. And now this is the move that but also very interesting. He does a little bit of a fast drive with infantry and transport and tank, because motorized deck have very good big problem against this type of rush. This type of rush is usually countered with an heavy tank, but I don't have heavy tank, so this is problem. And also he gets really lucky on the, because if he does that 1 minute when 1 minute forward he lost, and 1 minute earlier I didn't have this unit even by, so I will have more points to counter it. And also my plane is not ready to attack him, so he gets one CV kill, he gets another one Very lucky on the timing also, because if it was on the ground, it would have be hide here. I sniped the A, which is really good. He only allows one A, so now I think he maybe gonna go very deep, but I spot his CV on Foxtrot, so I can scissor him, and he doesn't have any A, so I can get very good control with my Tig. But at the same time he killed all my CV, and now there's something you can't see on the minimap, but Putin kill 10 CV, and I have 11 in my deck. No, sorry, no. He killed 9, but I have 10 CV, which said that this is the last CV I had. If it dies, I still lost the game, and it's a total victory for him, because if you lose all CV, you lost the game, no matter what. So now it became a little bit of a clone fiesta to just try to protect this only one CV I have. And his Marathon, as you see, they have infantry in it, so this is still very dangerous for me. But he lost his only A, so what can he really do? He can try to die, but Marathon, even with accuracy, he gonna die to the Tig. I send my plane out, so I can maybe snipe out an A, or maybe just soak out missile, or kill an enemy plane. I have to buy another helicopter because he doesn't have any A, and now he tried to find the CV. He knows his only chance to win, and yeah, that went a little bit clown at the end. I didn't really push enough effort to kill his CV. No, to kill his unit. And now the peace run saves the day, kills the Marathon. Plane, no, infantry pushing forward, killing the CV on Foxtrot, even killing the CV on Charlie if I have the time to. Killing the plane trying to dive on my helicopter, which is my last hope, and I just gonna put his field of view for the last moment, and you can see if he have a little bit more time, like 20 seconds, maybe his Mara can move fast and kill my CV. But I'm not sure, because Tig is also have a very good IP, so maybe I don't know. I know how this could work with line of sight, but this could could have go either way, and this was really close till the end. I think what I could say is that Putin was better in the long run, and he could have probably won the game if it could continue, or if it didn't start with a position so bad. But the first 10 minutes was just an annihilation. So I get so ahead on the 10 first minute that he can't really come back, and he tried to snipe my CV. He got lucky multiple times with it, especially on the CV spawn. But I was so ahead. I had 400 points of conquest, and I get a good position. I get the kill. 2 of his target die pretty early, and so yeah, that's gonna be the conclusion. And see you in another run. And hoping this game was interesting and clone-esque enough for you.